Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of the playlist feature in MedOne Vet. Playlists are a great way to organize content for use in any sort of educational setting, such as creating a study guide to share among students or create a reading list for your lessons. When you're in an ebook in MedOne Vet, you may come across content that you would like to save for future use. If you would like to do that, simply click Playlist and the option Create a new playlist. Title your playlist and select your subject area. Now, change the description and comment within this entry so that you can title it appropriately. Check to make sure that it's entered. You can click the playlist button on the left nav and go to My Playlists. From here, you'll be able to see what you've saved. You can share this with people within your organization by selecting Share with My Organization and apply changes. Say you'd like to save an image to your playlist. You can open up the image in the viewer and select the Same Playlist button. Now that we've already created a playlist, you can simply select the one that we just made. Again, add your description, any comments, and apply changes. One fantastic feature about playlists is that you can also include content from outside sources. For example, you can add a URL to an outside web address, such as a news article or a YouTube video. You can also upload a file. You can upload a Word document with your course syllabus or even a video of a lecture that you have recorded, and it can all be accessed within the same playlist. When browsing content in a playlist, you don't even have to leave the playlist to continue reading. If you simply click on the area that you would like to read, you can click through using the arrow buttons to go through all the content that has been saved.